Hello and welcome to Mentoring the Mentors, a platform that helps you accelerate your learning curve. My dear educators, as we have been conducting Vegless Day activities in our schools, as per CBSE, we need to conduct 10 days बैगलेस एक्टिविटीज इन आवर स्कूल्स 10 दिन तक हमें बैगलेस डे एक्टिविटीज कंडक्ट करनी है और उस बैगलेस डे एक्टिविटीज के जो 10 डेज हैं उसके अंतर्गत हम कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज करा सकते हैं हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे यस स्टे ट्यून्ड mentoring the mentors. So, my dear educators, if we talk about different Bagless Day activities, first of all, we should understand that Bagless Day activities, they are a perfect way for the students to explore new things outside the classroom. सारा दिन वो चार दीवारी में नहीं बच्चे बैठे रहे, उसके बाहर क्या है, real life के साथ integration करना सीखें, and they provide a break from the traditional learning and encourage experiential learning. इसका objective सिर्फ यही है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर मैं बोलूं कि हम क्लासरूम में एक्टिविटीज नहीं कराते, ऑब्वियसली वी कंडक्ट नंबर ऑफ एक्टिविटीज ऑल्सो, पर एक बैगलेस डे का मतलब सिर्फ बच्चों को क्या है कि बिना बुक्स के बियॉन्ड पढ़ाना, उनको एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए एक दिन की वो किताबें कॉपियां नहीं लेकर आए और उस दिन वो आउटसाइड जाकर एक्सप्लोर करें और डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज में वो पार्टिसिपेट करें। उनके लिए कुछ स्किल बेस्ड एक्टिविटीज भी प्लान कर सकते हैं, स्कूल में कोई गेस्ट लेक्चर को बुला सकते हैं, कोई पॉटरी का वर्कशॉप, कोई आप किसी भी तरीके का अगर उनके लिए कुछ ऐसा मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंसेस का एक्सपोजर कराना चाहें, उनके लिए फील्ड विजिट टू द म्यूजियम और विजिट टू अ जू और मे बी एनी अदर काइंड्स ऑफ प्लेसेस, नंबर ऑफ प्लेसेस दे आर देयर, यू कैन ऑर्गेनाइज द सेम फॉर देम और वर्चुअल टूर्स भी प्लान कर सकते हैं बैगलेस डे के अंतर्गत, राइट? तो स्किल एजुकेशन के अंतर्गत वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड नंबर ऑफ एक्टिविटीज, नंबर ऑफ शॉर्ट टर्म मॉड्यूल्स, वो भी आप उसको बैगलेस डे एक्टिविटीज में इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, right? So we're gonna talk about first of all the language activities. लैंग्वेजेस हिंदी हो, पंजाबी हो, इंग्लिश हो या कोई भी अदर रीजनल लैंग्वेज जो हम उनको पढ़ाते हैं, सिखाते हैं, तो उससे रिलेटेड बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज हैं, वो आप इसमें करवा सकते हैं. यू कैन गो हेड विद स्टोरी टेलिंग, यू कैन कंडक्ट वर्ड स्कैवेंजर हंट ऑल्सो, लैंग्वेज गेम्स ऑल्सो कैन बी कंडक्टेड. उस चीज के लिए आप पहले से प्रिंटेड वर्कशीट्स कर सकते हैं या कोई गेम्स प्लान कर सकते हैं. वेरियस आप TLM टीचिंग लर्निंग मटेरियल्स आप प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं अलॉन्ग विद द स्टूडेंट्स, या आपके एक्टिविटी रूम में अगर ऑलरेडी कुछ ऐसी गेम्स हैं, राइट, तो आप उसमें बच्चों को इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हैं. वी हैव नाउ डेज नंबर ऑफ बोर्ड गेम्स विद अस, आप उसमें बच्चों को एंगेज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो शो दैम मूवीज ऑल्सो, जैसे स्कूल सिनेमा वी कैन टॉक अबाउट, राइट? कुछ भी कोई इनोवेटिव, कोई एजुकेटिव मूवी उनको दिखाई जा सकती है इन दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज, एंड यू कैन आस्क देम टू गो अहेड, think about it, and they can write a review about that movie, right? You can ask them to discuss, or later on they can even portray the different characters also. So agar hum baat karte hain, a few of the activities I have mentioned, I am not like sharing a lot of activities, but only a few activities in this video. लैंग्वेज एक्टिविटीज में स्टोरी टेलिंग करा सकते हैं, encourage the students to tell stories about their experiences or the favorite things, and this helps them develop the communication skills and vocabulary. If we talk about the word scavenger hunt, students, they have to search the words around the school or the community and write them down. This helps them learn new words and their meanings, right? Ask them to find all the words that are related to a particular category. Suppose they can be animals or plants or flora, fauna, or any other thing. You can just explain the same: living things, non-living, classroom objects, or outdoor objects, any kind of a category or a theme. You can ask them and they'll be able to explore the same. And if you talk about the language games, play games like Scrabble, Boggle, or Hangman to improve spelling and vocabulary. And I have already shared the details of number of activities on my channel under the category, under a playlist, student engagement activities. I'll be sharing the link in the description box below. Make sure you check all these activities and conduct the same under this category, under this title of Bagless Day activities, right? So now if I talk about The overview of the Bagless Day activities. It is a day when students they leave their school bags at home and come to school without any homework, without any textbook, right? No burden, no tension, no stress of submitting the homework. And on this day, teachers they conduct various activities that emphasize learning by experience and encourage skill-based learning. So Bagless Day activities are essential for the holistic approach and development of the child. So they are very important. That's why CBSE is stressing a lot on Bagless Day activities. So if I talk about benefits of the Bagless Day, obviously I have already talked about that provides the students a stress-free environment. It is a perfect way to reduce the stress levels in the students by freeing them from the burden of carrying heavy bags, and they feel more relaxed and can focus better on learning. नाउ यहाँ पर मैं हैवी बैग्स के ऊपर एक चीज बताना चाहूंगी. Always you should have a load timetable in your classes. You should specify what all books and notebooks they have to bring on a daily basis as per the timetable. Obviously every day they are not reading their textbooks, they are not referring to it. Sometimes they have to carry only books, sometimes they have to carry only notebooks. If they have got grammar, literature, supplementary reader, for that also you need to specify the days so that the bag's weight can be reduced, right? Now, if you talk about experiential learning, Bagless Day activities, they focus on experiential learning, which helps students in developing crucial life skills such as communication, team building, decision making, leadership, and problem solving and emotional skills. So, my dear educators, why not organize such skills, such activities for our students in order to foster such 21st century skills for our learners? So, my dear educators, activity ideas, if I talk about for kindergarten to class 2, I am talking about various activities from kindergarten till 8th standard, because usually 9th to 12th we organize subject related activities. For their category is different. So in this video I'll be talking about KG to class 2, and then 3rd to 5th, and then 6th to 8th. So under these three categories I have divided. First of all, let's talk about the foundational stage. Yes, as per NEP 2020, the foundational stage is from KG, like nursery to class 2. You can take them for a nature walk. The students on a nature walk to the nearest park or maybe the playground, they can explore nature and learn about the different plants and animals, that is flora and fauna. And you should engage them in meaningful conversations about what they see, what they observe. And this can also be followed by see, think, wonder, or maybe think, puzzle, explore, such visible thinking routines to make your classes engaging and innovative. If I talk about a games day, you can organize various fun-filled games for the students. It can be a musical chair. Yes, the same musical chair that we have been enjoying for a number of days. And I mean, during our childhood, we have played it, right? And nowadays also, everybody loves to play musical chair game, hopscotch, and duck, duck, goose, right? And these games help improve their motor and the coordination skills. My dear educators, ये सारी जो games हैं, ये सारी games हमारी कौन सी games हैं? All those traditional games that we have been playing, right? So वो धीरे धीरे समय के साथ वो vanish होती चली जा रही हैं, हम भूलते चले जा रहे हैं. Let us play all those games also, the traditional games too, right? And you can tweak them with little bit innovation, educational content उसमें add करके उसके साथ relate करके ऐसा touch देके you can innovate the same. Like snakes and ladder journal normal जो हम खेलते हैं उसको खेलने के बजाय if you can tweak it related to your educational content, like healthy food items से related आप snake and ladder prepare कर सकते हैं. I have already shared a number of strategies for developing such games on my channel. You can explore them as well, right? So if I talk about activities for 3rd to 5th class, you can go ahead with science experiments, hands-on activities, right? That help students learn more about science. Experiments such as maybe making lava lamps, baking soda volcanoes, they are very common, and you can ask them to innovate and come up with various another innovative or creative strategies. Creative writing in the languages can be done. Give students a theme and have them write a creative story, a paragraph, or maybe a blog about it, right? They can develop their own story and encourage them to explore their ideas and use their imagination. They can also involve themselves in role plays activities where students they act out a social situation such as maybe a visit to the doctor, visit to the dentist, and this helps improve their critical thinking and communication skills. Now, activity ideas for 6th to 8th classes. You can organize debate competitions where students they can learn to research, analyze, and present their opinions, and you see with logic and coherently. You can also engage them in various lab experiments, right? So they'll be able to understand how these scientific principles they are used in daily life in real life situations. This helps them in developing their research skills and fosters a love for science. Art and craft workshops can be planned for the students, not only by the teachers, but ask the senior students to organize art workshop for the junior students. So likewise, you can foster peer tutoring skills in your students. This helps improve their confidence, their hand-eye coordination. Such kinds of activities can be organized for the children. So we talk about the social science backlist day activities, research and report on famous historical figure, maybe the president, the prime minister, right? Maybe some another political leaders, they can explore about it and they can make a detailed note about it. Okay, they can even present their reports in the form of a video or anything else. Let them explore, let them discuss, let you can organize talk shows also for them. Study the map of the world of the different countries and all, and know about the culture of those countries and even the state. You can organize number of activities under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat as well, and watch a documentary or the movie about the historical event or the figure that can also shown during your smart classes, right? You can show it to them and you can discuss the same with your students. Interview a family member or a friend about their life experiences and record their story, and read a book or the article about the social issues such as poverty, climate change, human rights. जो भी आपके topics हैं social sciences में age appropriate topic उससे related, you can ask them even to go to the library and explore the relevant books, right? It's a no book day. They will not be carrying the books as per the curriculum and all, as per their syllabus, right? But they will be exploring the same in the library. If they want to go and read the comic books, they can explore something else. Nowadays, there are comic books, they are available for all the classes for all the subjects. So they can explore those comic books and even they can create their own comics books as well. So they can learn about different religions, their beliefs, their practices, right? And practice a new language by listening to the music or watching videos in the language as per Bhasha Sangam. You see, there are 22 languages. For all these 22 languages, 100 sentences are available on Bhasha Sangam portal. For that, I have already discussed in my multilingualism related 5 videos. They are there. You can watch them, and I have already shared in detail about Bhasha Sangam. We also celebrate International Mother Language Day. For that also I've already shared number of activities. You can conduct the activities during this Bagless Day activities as well. So write a letter to the politician or the community leader about the issue that's important to you. This is how you can even integrate various subjects like language skills they are using, and they're talking about the social evils or any kind of problem that they have been witnessing, and they'll be able to write about it. And they can participate in the community service projects such as volunteering at the food bank or cleaning up a park, right? Various Seva project or SUPW projects they can participate in. You should give them opportunities to participate in various community services as well. Joy of giving activities can be organized. Research and report on a current event or issue in the news, right? They'll be able to research what is happening nowadays, right? What they have to research about it. Let them explore the newspapers, news channels, various blogs, right? Various apps, even they can explore whatever is available with the students and learn about different types of governments, their structures, their functions, and study a timeline history and learn about the key events and figures. Let them create their own timelines related to the various events, right? So they'll be able to help each other. Even they can create timelines for their peers are starting in the junior classes also. So these can be beneficial activities for the students, and they can also watch plays and related to the historical event. Let them learn about different types of art and their historical and cultural significance. Obviously, we have been talking about the same in Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat integrated projects, and they can visit a local museum, cultural center, and learn about the exhibits if it is available in your area, right? And if we talk about science, I have already shared with you. Still, we can talk about a few more activities. Let them go ahead and plant a seed. You see, yesterday I have shared one video with you in which I just would like to reiterate, like there is a competition, right? And the competition is related to the climate action. And for that, the registration fee is you need to plant 10 seeds and you need to capture your selfie and upload it. That is a registration fee. And after doing the same, you can participate in the quiz. Some of you are asking like what type of questions will be asked, how the students they have to prepare about it. See, my dear educators, we need to create awareness in our students. You should discuss climate action like SDG 13 with your students. Let them know more about it. And this is more than enough for them to prepare for it, and they'll be able to participate in the quiz. Get students involved in planting and caring of a seed, and they can learn about the life cycle of the plants, importance of taking care of our planet. And next is like a few just four examples. Balloon rocket experiment, right? The same can be done. Students can learn about Newton's third law of motion by building a balloon rocket and experiment with different variables, like how the rocket say take a flight and make a homemade volcano, build a simple circuit. Such kinds of activities and experiments related to biology, chemistry, physics, right? The same can be conducted, age appropriate activities to be conducted. See, till class 2, the students they study environmental science. So accordingly, you can conduct such activities for your students. So if I talk about some activities for maths backlist day activities, you can go ahead with maths scavenger hunt, hide maths problems around the school, like somewhere maybe behind the board, right? Maybe somewhere else, right? And maybe in the playground. And the students, they have to search them and solve them. Once they find a problem, they solve it and bring it back to the teacher for the prize. So that math scavenger hunt can be conducted. Like once they get one question, they'll be able to solve it. And it is mentioned like where is the second question that they'll be able to find. So they'll be able to reach to that particular place, solve the puzzle, get the answer and find the another question, right? That would be certainly engaging for them. Next is math bingo. Math bingo cards with the math problems instead of numbers. So students who solve the problems and mark off the answers on their card. The first one to get bingo wins, right? As you can see here, my dear educators, like this bingo cards, तंबोला खेलते हैं हम सभी, तो मैथम बोला, मैथ्स संबोला, जो भी आप इसको नाम देना चाहें, मैथमेटिक, right? Maths related race can be conducted, relay races can be conducted related to maths. So the same can be done. Integrate the same with the sports, talk to the sports teacher, and then conduct these kinds of activity. So they are certainly innovative activities: math scavenger hunt, math bingo, mathambola, and math art projects. Have students create art projects using math concepts such as tessellations, fractals, and this is a great way to integrate art and math and keep students engaged. Under this art integrated learning, we are conducting number of activities in math. So you can pick and choose any activity as per the interest of the students, and you can fix it for the no bag day or maybe the bagless day activity. So bagless day is an initiative aimed at providing stress-free and engaging learning for the students. So by incorporating experiential learning, it helps develop crucial life skills and foster a spirit of exploration and creativity. The next steps involve taking a pilot approach, assessing the impact and collecting feedback for the continuous improvement. So my dear educators, आप एक बार बैगलेस डे एक्टिविटीज कंडक्ट करेंगे, तो उसके बाद में आपको देखना है कि कौन सी एक्टिविटीज स्टूडेंट्स ने ज्यादा एंजॉय की हैं और उससे रिलेटेड आप बाद में ट्वीक करके कुछ और एक्टिविटीज उनके लिए प्लान कर सकते हैं. इवन द सीबीएसई सेज इफ यू गो थ्रू द एनसीईआरटी एंड सीबीएसई मैनुअल इट इज मेंशन, एक हफ्ते के लिए आप कोई एक्टिविटी, आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड एक्टिविटी अगर यूज करते हैं, नेक्स्ट वीक यू हैव टू चेंज इट. तो एक बार आपने किसी एक क्लास के साथ मैथ्स तंबोला किया है, अगली बार बैगलेस डे में एक्टिविटी में दोबारा तो मैथ्स तंबोला नहीं करेंगे. देन यू कैन गो हैड विद स्कैवेंजर हंट. नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे तो यू कैन गो हैड विद द मैथ्स एंड आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन or maybe mass relay race. Such kinds of activities can be conducted for your students. So my dear educators, stay tuned to Mentoring the Mentors. If you want to know more about such innovative, engaging, exciting activities so that you can engage your students and develop their 21st century skills. So my lovely educators, stay tuned to Mentoring the Mentors. Like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to give your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thank you all of you. Stay blessed. Stay tuned.